This is a 5 on your side local news update.
All right, we are halfway through the work week, halfway through the day too, and happy Wednesday to you. Hopefully your day is off to a great start. As a live look over the Botanical Garden, a lot of folks out there enjoying the nice day today. It's pretty comfortable out there. We got some cloud cover across the area. That's helped keeping temperatures lower than what they could be. Mid to upper 80s for most locations. A little bit humid for a few areas. But we got rain on the way, not quite yet. We don't have that in our area, but that is expected later on this evening. A 30% chance of rain for us here. So isolated showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms during the evening hours, but the better chance arrives overnight tonight. This is the overall setup for us, I think, in terms of rain chances. We'll take a 20% chance, maybe down to St. Clair County and then all the way down to Jeffco. And then over to Rolla, but for us and then further north, that's where the better rain chances are. We'll go scattered showers and storms through 7 o'clock for us here this evening, primarily after about 2 or 3 p.m. Overnight tonight, pretty much everybody gets in on the rain on some level, especially north. We'll go around I-70 and then further northbound. I'll get some heavy rain possible. The further south that you go, it gets a little bit less certain to see showers and storms. It's a little bit drier air down here, and the boundary will linger to the north overnight tonight as it moves through our area. So that's where the focal point of the shower and storm development will be. Again, I think St. Louis, St. Charles counties points northward. Nearly a 100% chance of rain, heavy at times overnight tonight. Your allergy index looking pretty good. Grasses count's pretty low. Weeds count is ticked up to moderate. Mold count holding steady at high. This is the setup from a surface map type of perspective. And this little frontal boundary off to our northwest, that's the focal point for the action. So the further those showers and storms get away from that, they lose their really more sustainable energy source, and so they do fade out. So you'll see some of the showers and storms on radar a little bit northwest of us right now. I don't expect those to make it all the way down to St. Louis this afternoon. So you got plans today, should be pretty good. No major impacts quite yet. But the heavy rain potential moves through overnight tonight. We'll call it 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. tomorrow, maybe a few lingering showers through about noon. But the heavier activity, of course, overnight tonight. This is our Futurecast model, one of our high-resolution rapid refresh models, and it shows some of that shower activity to the northwest. Most of this really fading out. This is by 5 p.m. this evening. Watch as we go through the evening, and again, not really much action out of that first round. The better chances arrive overnight. This is 11:30 tonight, and then through the overnight hours, we'll see more showers and storms build and push into the region. This is 4:30 in the morning now. Could be impacting your morning commute tomorrow. Could see, again, some heavy thunderstorms. Not necessarily a severe threat. We're not really worried about that. Maybe 1 or 2 stronger storms, but the heavy rain is the more widespread issue. And again, going through now, this is through 12:45, lingering south, and then pushing out of our region to the late afternoon. So tomorrow afternoon looks pretty good overall. The yellow shaded regions here, this is what the high resolution data is showing us. About an inch of rain for the yellow shaded regions, up to 2 to 3 inches of rain in the oranges to more reds. And this is not going to be the actual, what actually happens. This could shift west, east, south, north over the next 24 hours. But it does give us a mindset that a few locations could get in on some flooding rains. The bigger risk of that, of course, on the west side for us here across Missouri. That's where that flood watch is in effect through Thursday morning from the National Weather Service. Once again, though, I expect to see most of this push out of the region as we move through the day on Thursday. We are in a level 2 out of 4 risk for flash flooding potential. That means that areas of flooding are expected. A level 1 risk means that minor street flooding becomes possible, and this continues through Thursday. That first outlook was for tonight. The second one, which we're looking at right now, is for Thursday. So a little bit improving conditions as we move through the day Thursday. So what about beyond Thursday? Well, let's go and get into that too. Scattered showers and storms. It looks like during the afternoon and the evening on Friday, less numerous for Saturday, only a 20% chance of rain. Then the second half of the weekend, Sunday into Monday now, high temperatures returning back to the low to mid 90s, but we do dry out as we push into next week.
This has been a 5 on your side local news update.